Can an LLC be taxed as an S corporation? Yes, an LLC can choose to be taxed as an S corporation by filing Form 2553 with the IRS. This election does not change the LLC's legal structure, but it changes how the business income is taxed. With S corporation taxation, the owner pays themselves a reasonable salary, which is subject to payroll taxes. Any remaining profits can be taken as distributions, which are not subject to self-employment tax. This setup can lower overall tax liability for LLC owners who earn more than their salary. However, not all LLCs qualify. To elect S Corp taxation, your LLC must have fewer than 100 members. All members must be U.S. citizens or residents, and only one class of ownership is allowed. It's also important to weigh the benefits against the added paperwork and payroll requirements. Zen Business can form your LLC and help with the S Corp election, so you get the right tax setup. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.